Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. This is Cooking with Abba. Today, we're going to look at red bean stew. This is one quick fix red bean stew I did, which I really loved, and I wanted to share with you guys as well to enjoy life and to live more fortified. Yes, so this was my lunch. Yes, I'm sure right here, which is red beans with a bit of rice and a bit of kaklu. You know, I love plantains. I don't go without my plantains. So all you need is some scallions or some spring onions just to add some nice fragrance to it. I used some pepper sauce. I had some fish, which was flaked. My gravy. I don't do away with my gravy. And red beans or red-eyed beans, how you'd want to call it. So what I begin by doing is to wash the beans and I cook it. Red beans take in more water and they take longer to cook. And when you're cooking, try not to add any salt to it. Cook it till it's very cooked before you add in the other stuff. So I added in my pepper sauce, just adding a bit more pepper, added in some salt to taste, then I allowed it to cook. So once that was done, I just added in my gravy, which saves me time because if not, I have to do the whole tomato stuff all over from scratch. So I did the gravy in there. Then I added in some fish because it's beans stew doesn't mean it has to be only beans. A little fish makes it more nice. You can use chicken or any protein of your type in there. Then I added in some scallions. You can also use fresh onion if you'd want to. It's all up to you. And then I guess let it simmer down and then thicken up. So yes, you need to cook the beans till it's very cooked before you add in the gravy and the veggies and the fish to stew it. Because if it's hard, you're going to overly cook it up. So you need to make sure that it's well cooked before all these other stuff come in. And then voila! After it simmers down and it thickens, your red bean stew is all done. Once the bubbles are less or smaller, you know that it's done and ready to be eaten. And I really do enjoy this with my plantain, whether it's fried, whether it's baked, and I liked it also with the rice. And I think if you're dieting, you can just take the beans as it is, which is a full protein course. So when you're doing keto and you don't want to do carbohydrates, I want to avoid carbohydrates, this is the perfect option to go with. So if you've not yet subscribed, if you've not yet liked, if you've not yet shared this video, please show some love and support the channel. Lots of love for my team and do live life to the fullest. Be joyous, be merry, and let every food moment count. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.